Alright, so second part of this series, Legitcoin versus Shitcoin. So last time we did the shitcoin, coins to avoid. And today, so let's see the coins I'm looking at right now, which still look great. So let's start with if. And we're gonna go very fast. It's non-exhaustive again, just to show you, give you an idea of what I'm looking at. So typically, I'm gonna look at the coin which reached at least a 1414, if not a 1618 or even more. And yeah, so we have this if, and again, when you have this type of structure, then for your wave 4 retracement, you want to look around the theta, which we are very close from now on if. So yeah, that's first one, if. This is Cardano. So Cardano looks amazing as well. We have this 1618 here to the tick, same stuff. Again, I'm gonna go very fast just to show you some of the coin. I mean, it's the coin I'm gonna keep trading at this stage of the bull run instead of the previous coins I showed you in the last video that I'm going to completely avoid. So Solana 1618, this is wave 3, we are in wave 4, looks perfect. Binance coin, so 1, 2, it's weird in flat, but this is your wave 3, 4, close to completion in my opinion to the wave 4 preceding degree. FTT, very similar structure, 1, 2, 3, we're in the 4 right now in my opinion. Still FTT, still in the exchange coin, so you have Leopard, which is a coin of Bitfinex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, 2. This is your wave 3, you are in the 4 with your wave 4 here of preceding degree. Looks amazing. MATIC, obviously, 1, 2, this is your wave 4 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside your wave 4. Looks amazing as well. ENG, I mean, not the best, but I can get along with this chart. Like, it's a bit weird, but yeah, we have our 1618 here, so we are very far from overlapping, as opposite as some of the coins I mentioned in the last video. So yeah, that really limits the number of possibilities you can have, so that's another great thing. NANO, same stuff, looks amazing. I think we have close to 1618. Yeah, we do have that. So yeah, well, I don't know exactly the comment, but it looks okay. XLM, same stuff. I think we do have 1618 here, pretty much to the tick. Yep. 1, same stuff. 1618. We're in the wave 4, very likely. Looks amazing. DOGE, it's so we overshot by a lot, so 1618 of course. And the chart looks amazing, but problem with this coin is that it's a lot dependent on the chill of Elon Musk. And I think by now we all realized that he can change his mind really fast, so you know, I'm not so sure if I want to gamble on that. THETA 1618, 1, 2, 3, we're in the 4. Looks very good, this coin. Some coins of exchange KuCoin. You have a Veracity, 1, 2, 3, 4. We overshot the 1618 by a lot. Looks good. Another KuCoin coin. Looks a bit more weird for wave 1 here, but then I guess it can be counted as 1, 2, 3. Currently in wave 4, we overshot the 1618 by a ton here as well. Waves, I mean, on waves the count is a bit weirder, but I think it still looks perfectly fine. We are still above the 382 for potential wave 4. Zen looks amazing, 1, 2, 3. You have clean 5 waves in the 3, with clean 5 waves as well in the 5. Looks amazing. Fern, I mean, looks fine. Probably not one of the coins I'm gonna be trading, but I can get along with something like this. CHZ, looks great as well. XVG looks great as well. I'm going, what's the extension here? Probably close to 1618. Yeah, to the tick. And to finish, Rain. Rain is a bit different though, because Rain, the cycle started in the beginning of 2019 with 1, 2 here. Then you have your entire wave 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside your 3. And you are currently inside your cycle wave 4, which is currently at the level of wave 4 of preceding degree. But yeah, Rain looks fine as well. So yeah, that's a list of coin which in my opinion you should focus on instead of trading the crap I showed to you last week. So yeah, that's it. Just a very quick review. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.